How to use Santander Bikes in London. This will show you how to hire a Santander bike with the Santander Cycles app. Firstly, you used to be able to hire a bicycle by clicking on one of these little stations in London, but for whatever reason it stopped working, at least for me. So one way to do it consistently is by downloading the Santander Cycles app on your mobile device. You could do this on the Android Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Download the Santander Cycles app. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up, allow the different notifications, Bluetooth and etc. so you'll be able to know where you can hire a bike from. Then click hire now on a bike. Then it will ask you to either log in or create a new account. If so, most of you want to go ahead and create your account, put in your details, etc. Eventually you'll be able to get a code that looks a bit like this. It should be like a 5-digit code. Where you want to go up to the bike station, it should look a bit like this here. And you want to go ahead and type in the code. So as you can see there, I type in my 5-digit code. It will go from yellow to green if it's successful, like so. Then you'll be able to go ahead and pull it out. And that's when you know your 30 minutes or whatever it will be for you to be able to use the bike. Then when you're putting it back, you want to go ahead and make sure it slots nicely in there. You'll be able to hear like a sound. And then when it goes green, you know it's in successfully. You want to make sure you do that. So leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.